Oh, okay. I am now in nearby a road in Singapore. Okay, there's some construction going on, and I found a painted bronzeback snake which is dead. Okay, what happened was the body got stuck in this mat which was laid by the construction site nearby, because they put this to prevent actually landslide and from soil from spreading to the other side. Okay, what happened was this little fella here that you see. Okay, his body got stuck into the mat, into the thread of the mat, and the body, he got suffocated. His body got stuck. Okay, now if you see, this is the, okay, this part of the body is also torn. Okay, oh, quite a beautiful photo, but too bad. Okay, this is a dead painted bronzeback snake, painted bronzeback snake, a non-venomous snake, common in Southeast Asia. Okay, he's dead. Okay, now I'm going to take him out of here, and I'm going to give him a proper burial. All right.